Good day, friends. Today we are going to talk about self-publishing. So let's get started. Getting started in self-publishing can be an exciting and rewarding journey. So, what is self-publishing? Self-publishing is the process of independently bringing your book to the market without relying on a traditional publishing house. As a self-published author, you have full control over the creative and business aspects of your book. This includes writing, editing, designing the cover, formatting, and marketing. With the advent of digital technology and online platforms, self-publishing has become increasingly accessible and popular. Authors can choose from various self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Smashwords, or Draft2 Digital to make their books available in both ebook and print formats. Self-publishing empowers authors to retain their rights, earn higher royalties, and have a direct relationship with their readers. However, it also places the responsibility of book production, marketing, and distribution on the author, requiring them to invest time and effort in building their author brand and reaching their target audience. Define your goals. Determine why you want to self-publish and what you hope to achieve with your book. Clarifying your goals will help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Write and edit your book. Start by writing your book and refining it through multiple rounds of editing. Consider hiring a professional editor to ensure your book is polished and error-free. Create a cover design. Design an eye-catching cover that conveys the essence of your book. You can hire a professional designer or use online tools and platforms to create a cover yourself. Format your book. Convert your manuscript into a format suitable for ebook and print publication. You can use software like Microsoft Word or specialized formatting tools like Vellum or Scrivener. Choose a self-publishing platform. There are several popular self-publishing platforms to choose from, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Smashwords, or Draft2 Digital. Research each platform to determine which one aligns best with your goals. Set up your author account. Sign up for an account on your chosen self-publishing platform and provide the required information, including your banking details for royalty payments. Upload your book. Follow the platform's guidelines to upload your manuscript, cover, and any additional metadata. Preview your book to ensure it appears as intended. Set your pricing and royalties. Decide on the price of your book and the royalty rates you want to receive. Consider factors like genre, book length, and market trends when determining your pricing strategy. Publish your book. Once you're satisfied with your book's presentation and pricing, click the Publish button on your chosen platform. Your book will then be available for purchase online. Market your book. Self-publishing requires active promotion to reach potential readers. Develop a marketing plan that includes online and offline strategies like social media promotion, book reviews, author website, email newsletters, book signings, and collaborations with influencers or bloggers. Engage with your readers. Interact with your readers through social media, author events, book clubs, and online communities. Building a connection with your audience can help generate buzz and word-of-mouth recommendations. Remember that self-publishing is a continuous learning process. Stay open to feedback, adapt your marketing strategies as needed, and continue to improve your writing skills. Good luck on your self-publishing journey. If you liked this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.